sir. Before anything else, I would like to introduce myself. My name is R.D. Hapon, a student of Seguros Belt Memorial College, taking up Bachelor of Science in Criminology. I will conducting a review about your experience as a volunteer during the distribution of relief goods and helping the victims of 6.9 magnitude earthquake that struck Bogo City. This interview, sir, is for educational purpose only. Thank you, sir, for accepting my request to be an respondent of my interview. Before we will start, can you introduce yourself and what agencies you've decided to volunteer?
So, good evening. I am kanang Stephen Claude Bihikot. I am a third year student of NCRMC and I also take kanang Bachelor of Science in Criminology. And also kanang kuan ko dito kanang volunteer sa kuan their MC nga kanang nga sanay nga grupo. So moro to.
And now, sir, let's start the interview. First question, sir, is what was your reaction during the earthquake?
So katong during pag-earthquake kay medyo kanang kuan ko, ang first reaction is kanang murag wala ra kay kanang katong nga kanang time kay nagkuan ra ko nagtan-aw ra ko salida and pag katong pag kuan na gid ni kalit lag kusog so murag og na naratol even though kanang nanakoy nakatunan ba unsaon pa kanang saan pag-handle nga inato nga scenario and mo to murag og na kanang kuan mo ang first impression na kuan ko na kuyawad.
Okay, sir. How did you feel when the earthquake happened?
I feel kanang kuan murag og nalipong or kanang murag kanang tigtuyok imong kanang pananaw ba kay kanang grabe ato ka kusog 6.9. So katong nga kanang kuan kay very kanang tagsar gid murag katubo ka suway squad.
What made you decide to volunteer for relief operation?
So I decided to kanang kuan volunteer kanang a relief operation kay also to kanang kuan to help kanang kuan other people and especially kanang katong nanginahanglan og tabang mao jud na kanang kuan kanang silbi kanang na-inspire ko ba kay para kanang matabangan po sila.
How do you think the community can recover from the earthquake?
So I think kanang maka-recover sila if kanang first of all kanang magkuan sila magampo para sa kanang kay wala untay lain padulungan kundi ang kanang atorang kay tas-an and also maminaw sa mga kuan mga advice sa mga responders mao ra na.
Okay, sir. Here's the last question for you, sir. What message would you like to share with those affected by the earthquake?
So ang message ra kanang katong naapektuhan or kita sa kanang katong naapektuhan during the earthquake kay kuan ba mao ra to katong magampo and if na earthquake kanang kay if na kanang aftershock nga maabot dapat kanang kalma lang and kay if magpanic man jud ta kay mas worse ang kanang kuan outcome kay for example naatad dire sa sud niya magpanic ta so na tendency nga ma-injured niya ara pag kuyaw ara pag sa kanang kuan sa kanang exit or sa pultahan so makuan ta mas stampede so much better if magkuan ta kalma lang atong una presence of mind lang.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.